Hi and welcome to a new video. Today we are doing a 72-hour dropshipping challenge again. I released one last week and we are doing one more. And this time we are more speed running it, so it will be a more fun video. My name is EcombyNik, and if you haven't been on my channel before, we talk about ecom and dropshipping and everything surrounding that. And I also do a lot of tutorial videos and things like that. So is this your first time finding me? Please check out my channel. You will find a lot of good things. And let's just jump into this. So what do we need to do? We are speed running a 72-hour dropshipping challenge. We need to find a product, and we will do that the free way today. We will validate the product, and I will use Seek Analytics to validate my product. Then we will find our customer, our ICP. We will make our ads, and we will make the landing page, and then we will run the test. And I will try to get this as fast as I can. So actually yesterday I was scrolling my Instagram account and my burner account while watching some Netflix or something, and I found one product that I really like, and I found two competition. So the product I found was this one, a celluloid massager. So this is one competition and this is one competition, and then I put it into Seek Analytics. And you can see that the last 30 days, this product has done $25,000. So it's a good product, and we found it here on AliExpress. It's really easy with Seek. You can just click and you find the product directly on AliExpress. And I wanted to spice it up a little bit, so I also found one massage oil, so I will sell it like a kit. So this celluloid massage product that take away the celluloid from older women or younger woman or middle-aged woman or something like that. My ICP would be middle-aged woman, I think. And we will combine it with firming magic oil. So that's how we will structure everything. So because this is a speed running, I have prepared a little bit, okay? So this video will more be focused on the challenge. So I have prepared my product photos. I talked a little bit with ChatGPT. I found my ICP, and we will target UK. And I think this is a product where you need to inform your customer a little bit. So this is a product actually that would work really good with like a landing page that's not the product page or something like that. That's education for the customer, that you inform them about the product and show them everything. But we don't really have time to do that, so it will be an easy landing page I will do. So what I did then is that I will put so much information I can on the product photos and on the photos for the website. So I did this. This is for the oil you get for free, and we call it Body Renewal Kit. Here's one more. There are some quotes. Why you will love Cara Cellulift. That is for all body parts, and a before and after. And these photos is for my bundles. So that's what I did, and I will right now quick make a landing page, and I will come back to you. So we are back and the landing page is done. This time I did it on a free theme. I have used a little bit of Section. If you don't know, Section is an app that you can customize your theme a little bit, because I'm running this on a free theme and then I want to customize a little bit. You download Section app, it's totally free. Then you can, like this, I will show you a quick. Here, you download the app, Section Store, and this is an app that a lot of people in ecom are gatekeeping from you. I promise you that. You download it, it's totally free, and then you buy things you want. Like I have bought this. I really like this to have below my add to cart, that some customers are recommending the product. Then it costs $9 and I own it forever. So then I have it on my store forever, and if this product don't work and I do a new product page or something, I can use it again. So I bought 4 sections. So that's a cost about $40 I spend on making my site pop. And I will leave a link to Section Store below, so you can use it if you want, and you get some discounts. Here is the finishing product, my landing page. So you see, when you come into the website, it's very easy what it is. Some text, it's a review direct, and direct some benefits. Our offer, highlighted our offer that you get a free body oil today. When you click on the offer, you'll see that you get a free gift, body oil. So we are really focusing on our offer with this one. You get to add the cart, you get recommended by 1,500 people and more. How it works, shipping, our guarantee, and a lot of info, of course, on the product pictures. Then you see direct when the product is in use. That's really important. You get a lot of before and after, a lot of social proof that people are using our product. You get a quote. We are just bombing with reviews and social proof and things like that. And here you get some technical results about the product. And here you get a text how you feel after you have used this product. And this is really our ICP. This is who we are targeting. So we make the picture. I have done this with ChatGPT. And we have made avatar that is our ICP. Some more reviews, quick text reviews. A small FAQ. And then we have our call to action with one more review or testimonial. And if you click here, you come back to the start and hopefully you add the cart. So a lot of showing the product in action, a lot of reviews, a lot of testimonials, and then we will test this product. So because this is a speedrunning 72-hour dropshipping challenge, this time I borrowed some material for my ads because I don't have time to send it out to UGC and things like that. And I don't do that, of course, on testing. On testing, we are taking inspiration from others that have already done this and done it successful. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just take what's working and implement it maybe on a new market or something. That's what I do right now. I take this from US to UK and see if it will work. So I did this with 5 ads that I cut up from TikTok with Snaptick and downloaded them. And I have cut them up and put them together and made 5 ads. I also did some voiceover on Caption. I use Caption to do voiceover. You can do 11 ads or something like that. Now we have 5 ads, 5 video ads. So we will run this on Meta for 3 days with $100 budget each day. So we will test this for $300. And of course, if we have really bad metrics after day 2 or something, we will kill the product. But so we will not spend $300, but we will try. And I will try to take this in 3 days to a profitable product, a profitable business. So what we will do, we will go on create. We will choose sales as our object, and I will do like this: UK sell. So I have put the name UK, Cellulif, the product, brand, Cara, and test. It's easy. We do on auction, and we will have our campaign budget, and we put it, like I said, on $100. Then we do nothing here more. We just leave it open. We go to next. So here we will call it the ad set. We will call UK, the country we are targeting, and F, that stands for female. We are doing this broad, but we will also tell Meta that this product is for females. So you choose your, you go for max conversion, you choose your pixel, and you go for sales. So we will choose UK here. We take away my country, Sweden. So we go for UK. And here you can suggest something. And what we will suggest is we go on gender and we suggest woman. And we go to next. And here we will put in our 5 ads. You see they pick up what we have already. We will choose our 5 ads that we have. We go for manual. We go for flexible. We don't want to be shown with other ads. And I put 3 primary text, 3 headlines, and 1 description. And of course put in your product page, and then we change to buy now. And we will just upload our 5 videos and put. And when we have done the first video and the primary text, the headline and everything, you can use ChatGPT. You can just ask them to do. But because if you have found your ICP with ChatGPT and done your copywriting for your page, they will do this very easy for you, and they will focus it after the text, the copywriting they have done on the page. So they will do this really good, or ChatGPT will do this really good. When you have put up the first, you go here and you duplicate to 4 more, and then you have 5 ads. Then you go just to the next one and you change out the video. And I will let this go live at midnight tonight, and we will check back tomorrow night and see how this is going. I will see you soon. So it's now been 48 hours of our 72-hour dropshipping challenge. So we will check the first 2 days, how it have gone. Now we have 16 minutes left of the second day and 1 day left on the challenge. So let's see. The first day, we had 1 sale, and we can see it here on our ads also. We had 1 sale and $100 spent on our ads. And actually what I did yesterday was that I saw that ad 5 was spending a lot of money and not giving us anything. So I turned that off. It's not always that Meta has the correct answers all the time. They were putting the money on ad 5, but that was not the right ad. And directly when I did that, it gave results. So I thought it was like 20 minutes after I turned that off, we got the first sale on ad 1. And the metrics was okay. We had really good metrics here, really good metrics here. That one was not so good. So let's see if we will keep that or turn that off also. And we go to today. It's like I said, 50 minutes left of the day. And today we had total of 3 sales with $90 spent today. Hasn't spent all the money, but that's how Meta does it sometimes. So we have 2 ROAS today. That's totally okay. And we see that again, it's ad 1 that's given us all the sales. And let's see, ad 3 was with the bad CPC yesterday. Today it's a little bit better, $2.4. Yesterday was $6, so we will keep it on. It will go down. It hasn't spent so much. It has spent like $7. So we will spend at least $10-15 on the ad before we make a decision. But ad 1 is really crushing it, so that's good. Let's see that Shopify also has it today, has the same numbers, and it does 3 sales registered. So that's good for day 2. I feel good for the last day. I was thinking if we should do just because the challenge and make it a little bit more fun in the challenge, if I should bump the budget and double it for tomorrow. That's not usually how I do it. Of course, when I do my product test, I run the budget on $50 or $100 for 3 days, and then I make decisions. But just to make it a little bit more fun for the challenge, maybe we should bump the budget. So let's do that. I will bump the budget to $200 tomorrow, and I will check in 24 hours, and let's see how this challenge ended and everything tomorrow. I'm really tired right now. It's soon midnight, so I will go to bed and I will see you tomorrow. Hi, so we are back and we are checking the last day of this 72-hour dropshipping challenge. So let's see our results for the last day. The day 1 we have gone over it. We spent $100 on ads and we got $65 back. I saw that 1 ad was spending like $50 without any results. CPC was really high, so we were spending a lot of money on getting traffic to our site. I turned that ad off and that really gave results. So the second day we spent $100 again. We got $195 back, so we double our money. We got 5 add to carts and 3 conversions. So all good. That was perfect. And I said to you yesterday when I was going to bed, I was like, let's double the budget to the last day, okay? So that was what I did. I want to say this. I don't do that usually because when I'm running a test, I wanted to spend equally on 3 days because Meta doesn't convert like that on 1 day or like that. They need some days to gather all the data. So that's why I spend equally on 3 days, and I do that with $50 or $100. This time we did it with $100, so I shouldn't have bumped the budget actually, but now we did this dropshipping challenge. I wanted to get some action for the video, so I doubled the budget. But just so you know, that's not a thing I usually do on my tests. And I doubled the budget to $200 for the last day, and we got back $97. That wasn't so good, but it was really interesting because the data was speaking differently. We get 9 add to carts, but only 1 conversion. So I think this product has something. So the total for this dropshipping challenge is we spent $400, we got $357 back. So we're not profitable, but it's okay product test, I think. So I want you to show you the reality, and the reality is often like this, or not often like this. The reality is that often you fail. But this I don't see as a fail. When I'm doing my product test, I'm not looking to be profitable on the test. Now it was a challenge, so now of course I want it to be profitable. But I want to see, when I'm doing the test, I want to see which ads are working, which angle I should speak to my customer with, and look at the data, and going into a 7-day scaling test where I really test the product and test if it could be profitable. So I think this product, I will try to take this further, and I will take it to a 7-day scaling test because it had 9 add to carts and 1 conversion yesterday. So if only like 2 or 3 more add to carts had gone to sales, we would be profitable. So what I have done actually for going forward is that I have done the offer a little bit more clear with the free gift. So I have put this here. So you get free gift plus free shipping. Let's see if that helps. Actually, I've checked my checkout also, because is it something wrong? Because we had 9 add to carts and only 1 conversion. But it wasn't anything wrong. So let's see. I have taken down the budget to $100 again, and I will let that campaign spend for like 3 days more and see the results. So this is the dropshipping challenge. We spent $400, got $357 back, wasn't profitable. If you want me to do a follow-up video where I try to take this product to being profitable in my 7-day scaling test, let me know in the comments below, and I will happily make that video for you. And otherwise, let's see each other in the next video.